what I'm doing. Chris!
It's raining sideways.
It's raining sideways!
I was wondering where the fuck that what came from. Yeah, I'm just going to Facebook too.
Yeah.
Not? Yeah, I was
This
just
is a
watching the
rare
camera, too.
occurrence.
I'm pretty sure
in
that's illegal.
Arizona.
You can put that on.
We never seen this.
Chris, I was having my nipples, but I just go on Facebook and it's like, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna see that.
This is a rare
Everyone's gonna
occurrence
see my hot bod on
in
Facebook.
Arizona. We don't get this a lot, so it's kind of exciting.
Chris,
for
hold
us.
the camera. It's only natural if you hold the camera.
Sure it is.
The shit
This is some crazy rain. And those are my friends. Cole, you're gonna hurt yourself and him at the same time. Hi, Josh.
I will break you! You're just a wild horse!
This looks like it's Zoom.